Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to turn on autoplay in EA Sports FC Mobile Football. To turn on the autoplay feature in EA Sports FC Mobile Football, launch open the game first and make sure that you're inside the home page. Now go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner, and from the settings menu that pops up on the screen, tap the pencil button right next to gameplay. Now from the gameplay tab, scroll down and look for the autoplay feature. After you find this autoplay feature, click on the toggle button right next to it and turn it on. Now AI will control the active player when you are not using the virtual stick once you turn on the autoplay feature. After you do that, this will let your team play matches automatically, focus on strategy and management instead of manual controls, progress through friendly matches, events or campaigns are more easier. So that's how you easily enable autoplay feature on EA Sports FC Mobile Football. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.